it is Halloween day and we are out and about running some errands. I gotta pick up my sister a Halloween costume very last minute, so whatever is in the store is what we finna get. And then I have to get some stuff because I think my friend is coming over. Well, I'm gonna invite a couple of my girlfriends over so we can like have like a little game night or whatever and get lit while I pass out candy to these kids. But I'll be back because the light just turned green. I gotta get y'all a picture. Run. Alright, trying to get the video. You go unlock the door and give me a chair. Yeah. Who's gonna walk us? What are you saying? Happy Halloween. Trick or treat. Can I record y'all costumes?
Yeah, definitely.
Ooh, my camera blurry. Y'all see Micah out here passing out candy? Micah, slow down, Micah. I look thick, huh?
Take this damn mask off.
Alright. Micah, look. Yeah. Micah, look. Tease.
So you're trying to get to her and the cake.
Look at him.
Long as you swear, she told me